Have you ever smiled and said it's okay when inside you were completely broken? Have you ever said when every part of you wanted to say no? Have you ever changed your plans, your opinions, your needs, and your personality just because you were scared that someone might be disappointed in you? And here's the very uncomfortable question. If you stop making everyone around you happy, who would you be? Think about that. But sometimes we become so good at being the person everyone needs that we completely forget who we are. And something important is coming in today's conversation because people pleasing may look like kindness from outside, but sometimes it actually fear wearing the clothes of kindness. Welcome back to Soul Resettling और मैं प्रियंका हूँ। और अगर आप वो पर्सन है जो हमेशा कहता है कोई बात नहीं, मैनेज कर लूंगा, तुम जो चाहो कर लो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, even when you do have a problem, then this conversation is especially for you. हम में से बहुत लोगों ने बचपन में एक साइलेंट लेसन सीखा है, मे बी डायरेक्टली मे बी इनडायरेक्टली, कि अगर मैं अच्छा हूँ, हेल्पफुल हूँ, क्वाइट हूँ, एडजस्ट करता हूँ, सबको खुश रखता हूँ, तो मुझे एक्सेप्टेंस मिलेगा. तो हम सीखते हैं डोंट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम्स, डोंट डिसअपॉइंट पीपल, डोंट से नो, बी गुड ऑलवेज, बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और बचपन में ये स्ट्रेटजी शायद हमें कनेक्शन फील करने में हेल्प करती थी. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब वही स्ट्रेटजी हमारी अभी की लाइफ में आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है. फिर क्या होता है? व्हेन समवन आस्क कैन यू डू दिस फॉर मी, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, बट यू से यस आई विल डू दैट. समवन हर्ट्स यू, यू वांट टू स्पीक, बट यू से इट्स फाइन, आई एम गुड. Someone crosses a boundary and you feel uncomfortable, but you think maybe I'm overreacting, and slowly you become an expert at understanding everyone except yourself. People pleasing का सबसे बड़ा कॉस्ट सिर्फ एग्जॉशन नहीं है, इट्स रिसेंटमेंट. आप बार बार ये बोलते हैं, फिर अंदर ही अंदर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाते हैं. मेरे लिए कोई कुछ नहीं करता है, सब मुझे ही क्यों कॉल करते हैं, nobody understands me. But sometimes we have to gently ask ourselves, did I ever give people the opportunity to know what I actually needed? Because if I always say I'm fine, how will someone know I'm not fine? If I always say you decide, then how will they know my preference? This is why people pleasing creates a strange kind of loneliness. And people may be around you, but they may not actually know you. They know the version of you who is agreeable, the version who adjusts, and the version who never complains. Don't worry about me. And deep inside, you may be asking, but who is worrying about me? और यहाँ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा सच. People pleasing prevents genuine intimacy because real intimacy requires honesty. अगर मैं हमेशा वही बोलूँगी जो आप सुनना चाहते हैं, you don't really know me. अगर मैं हमेशा agree करूँगी, you don't know what I actually believe. अगर मैं अपनी feelings hide करूँगी, तो you don't know what my heart is actually experiencing. Real connection begins when we allow ourselves to be seen. Not the perfect version, not the always happy version, not the always understanding version, but the real version. The version who sometimes say that hurts me. I need some peace. I don't agree. I can't do this today. This is important to me. और हाँ, someone may be disappointed. किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. और here is something you need to hear. Someone being disappointed with your boundary does not automatically mean you did something wrong. एक small healing practice. Just close your eyes. Place your hand gently on your heart, signaling everything is fine. Take a slow deep breath. Now think about one situation where you recently said yes when you actually don't want it to do. Don't judge. Don't say why am I like this. Just look at the version of you with compassion and tell yourself, I understand why you were afraid. You were trying to protect yourself. You don't have to earn love anymore. Take another deep breath and say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am safe to be honest about what I need. And now I can disappoint someone and still be a good person. Let the sentence settle inside you. A big practical question. How do we actually stop people pleasing? Not overnight. और अचानक से नहीं होता. Not by saying no to everything. एक छोटी सी कोशिश. Step 1. Notice the automatic yes. Next time someone asks you something, don't answer immediately. Just take a breath and ask yourself, do I genuinely want to do this? Step 2. Give yourself permission to say no. You don't need a 10-minute explanation. You can simply say, I'm not able to do that today. And that's enough. Step 3. Practice small truth. Tell someone, I would actually prefer this. I need some time. That doesn't work for me. And just step 4. Let people have their own feelings. This is difficult because people pleasers often feel responsible for everyone's emotion. Someone is angry and you immediately think, what did I do? Someone is disappointed. You rush to fix it. But remember one thing, you are responsible for your own feelings only. You are not responsible for controlling everyone else's reaction. And कुछ affirmations मेरी तरफ से, just repeat after me. I am allowed to have needs. I am allowed to say no without guilt. My honesty does not make me difficult. I do not need to earn love through sacrifice. I trust myself to speak my truth with kindness. And today is very much special. I am no longer trade my authenticity for acceptance. Take a deep breath and feel what that means. Maybe healing isn't becoming the person who doesn't care what anyone thinks. Healing is becoming the person who can care without betraying themselves. Who can be kind and have boundaries. You can be loving and say no. So today, before you automatically say yes, just take a pause, put your hand on your heart and ask, what do I actually need? Then listen. अगर आज का वीडियो आपके हार्ट को टच किया हो तो कमेंट में लिखिए आई चूज माई सेल्फ विदाउट एनी गिल्ट। और अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई ऐसा पर्सन है जिसको इसकी ज़रूरत है, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद देम। मे बी दे डोंट नीड अनदर रिमाइंडर टू बी स्ट्रॉन्गर और मे बी दे नीड सम परमिशन। And if you want deeper personalized support, just visit www.soulresethealing.com and book our sessions. You can explore personalized and group sessions. और अगर आपको सोल रीसेट हीलिंग की ये कॉन्वर्सेशन मीनिंगफुल लग रही है तो लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल सोल रीसेट हीलिंग बाय प्रियंका। और नेक्स्ट हीलिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए कनेक्टेड रहिए। जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, यू डोंट हैव टू लूज योर सेल्फ टू बी लव्ड। I am Priyanka and this is Soul Reset Healing. Until the next video, evolve within, transform everything. Thank you.